Hi everyone, my dear parents. I am Dr. Nelson, working as a senior pediatrician in Mundaikai Medical Trust Hospital and also an allergy expert. Today I am going to just focus you in a few minutes on the advantages of breastfeeding in children. I have already covered this topic earlier, but I would just like to say little more about it. So, breastfeeding, as you all know, it's a first vaccine for the body, and breastfeeding should be rectified if there are any issues with the mother. It should be rectified in the hospital, especially when the mother is having flat nipple or everted nipple, preferably even during the antenatal period. If we are able to see it in the antenatal period, it is very easy, because when the time of lactation, the mother does not have any problems and it does not cause any hardship for the mother as well as for the baby. So, normally when we breastfeed, the first part of the breastfeeding is colostrum. Many people tend to think colostrum, it is not good, it is something very dirty and we want to discard it away. No, colostrum is the only one which is going to protect you from all sorts of infections, even including COVID also, they say, because colostrum is very, very important. The baby needs that much only to fill the stomach, it does not require more. So, the initial 1 week, the baby starts crying, it feeds and then starts crying. Why? Because the breast milk contains more of water. But after 1 week, the baby starts to get fat in the breast milk, and that is the time baby starts feeding and the child goes to sleep. Appo, everyone is very worried when they go home, the children are crying. What to do, doctor? Where should I give any other feed other than the breastfeed, like lactogen, naan and all that? No. We always should reassure the mother, saying that it will take time. It will take time. It will take time for the baby, and within 2 weeks the baby will be okay, because once when the child is on breastfeed, we have to look for 3 important indicators. That is, the baby, when the child is getting on good feeds, the child passes 6 to 7 times urine, it increases by 10 to 15 grams per day, it passes motion, and after the breastfeeding, the child sleeps for 1 hour. If these 3 indicators are met, there is nothing to worry about, no need to give any lactogen, artificial feeds, nothing like that. And always don't feed the baby lying down. So, if there are any other issues related to breastfeeding, please kindly call me in my mobile number related to position, latching and anything related, but don't give formula feeds. That is my sincere request to all of you. So, you can contact in my number 8547473572. Thank you very much.